Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So nothing really much happened yesterday and nothing really happened this week so far, and that's because we have FOMC coming out later today. So we are not typically in a holding pattern until that happens. I'm still of the opinion we have a flag break and we have a potential retest, but at the moment we are range bound. There is our range, pretty clear, and you could extend the bottom end of the range to either this swing low or that swing low. I think that swing low is probably to be safe, so this would be your stop area below this bar here, and that is around 125.60. So at the moment, no real trades here. We are trending, we're drifting sideways, not trending sideways, but we ever so slightly to the upside. Wait for the FOMC and see what that's going to do. Once that's out, then you'll probably get traction in a direction. So this is sit on hands today for me, well, at least until FOMC this evening. US dollar, Japanese yen, well, I wasn't anticipating this break yesterday. I was expecting us to reject this level here, to be quite honest, at 108.380 and come back into the channel. That didn't happen, but what has happened is we have diversions brewing. So we have, you can see the oscillator moving up into overbought territory, not quite there yet, but remember what I say, when they separate far apart, they typically have a fairly violent move back in the opposite direction. And moving averages are still crossed over, but I think what we're seeing here is probably just coming back into this area here, ready for a move down, and that would give us a shoulder, head, shoulder. If we move to the hour, you can see a very different picture on the hour. So we had yesterday was a fairly good example of a range on the 155 EMA with a crossover. So a break of that area was definitely an opportunity for long with the stop below here, and you could have done that on the 15 minutes. It would have been fairly interesting. You can see there's the level, rejected, closed above it. Inside bar, not really working, coming back onto the moving average again, and then looking at your opportunity around here. In fact, there were two opportunities. That's your first opportunity, bottom of range, and bottom of range and an uptrend, and then your next opportunity was this pin bar retest here. So above that, entry just above that bar, stop below the tail, and that would have been your entry. But nevertheless, wait for the pullbacks. If we do get some pullbacks onto structure and it starts carrying on, then follow it to the upside. Just bear in mind we have some big resistance up ahead of us, and that's at 109.051 and 109.307. British pound, Japanese yen, really nothing going on here. We are still range bound. Looking at this inverse head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then we sort of had a rally yesterday. Again, I was expecting a rejection around here at 154.32, not to be at the moment, and let's just get to this area here, and you can see during the video that's actually what I was expecting, but we got a move above, came back, tested it, and blew through the next level, to be quite honest. So where are we from now? I think it's safe to say we are sideways. It is pretty much in a range. It's remember, pointed this out some time ago, it is a diamond pattern there. Okay, so it is a diamond pattern. In other words, it's consolidation. So just save yourself any hassles and just do that. So that's the first level. I would actually just put it down like that. That is your consolidation area. So until we break through that, we don't really have a direction. So I would expect a selling opportunity coming soon. And if we make a higher low, a lower high from here with a little bit of diversions, that's going to give us an opportunity. So this 8-hour bar is going to be key right now to see if that finishes as an inside bar. And you can see my oscillators on the hour are grouping the upside. Logic does say that we're probably going to swing a bit lower, but could find support at these areas. If we do find support at these two areas, there may very well be an opportunity to buy and what you'll be looking for is the top of this range up here at 151,972. So watch out for 150,869, see if we can find some support there. If we blow through that, then you're looking for support down here. I'd definitely take a stab at 150,432 for a move back to the top here. Euro British pound. So we have this massive inverse head and shoulders. We've had a bit of a rally here, and then we're drifting sideways. At the moment, we have what I'm looking at as a flag break. So this is the big inverse head and shoulders, and my measured move is all the way up here at 0.89602. But what we do see here is a move up and consolidation flag. So there should be a second move here. And let me give you that to you on the hour. So where's my channel? There's my channel. It's not quite a channel, it's actually a triangle. You run it along there. Nevertheless, that's the move. So where's it coming from? It's coming from here. To there. So there's another measured move up here. But at the same time, to be conservative, it's looking for the retest here. So basically what you're seeing here is this may turn into a channel, into a range. So that would be the top of the range up here at 0.87167. So again, well worth just drifting down to the 15-minute chart on this pair and paying attention to price action. What am I going to be paying attention to? Looking for structure breaks. So we've just broken through some structure here. We've broken through this structure. So I'm looking for retests. So come back onto 0.86961 or alternatively hold this and break the upside. First area I'm looking for is this area here at 0.87167. I expect it to be a little bit volatile in this area, so bounce off there, come back down. Once we're through this area here, then you definitely have an opportunity at 0.87784, and then even bigger inverse head and shoulders target at 0.89602. So this is looking fairly interesting, and definitely watching this, continuing to watch this at the moment. Looking for pullbacks, looking to buy, and waiting for this breakout to validate the head and shoulders. That's 0.87167. Anyway guys, that's it for me today on Forex. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you bright and breezy tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.